Hi everyone, this is Lita, the sales director of Lango Technology Company. So we are the AI solution provider in IPD business, signage business, as well as audio and video business. So as you can see, this is one of our products, and you can see the EDI certificates like Android 16 mainboard and also embed inside this panel. If you go deeper, for example, for the whiteboard, this will be the main products or main application we will usually use. So we will have different kinds of pens for you to choose. For example, like the magic pens, then you could create different kinds of icons and then embed into this whiteboard. Of course, we will open to different kinds of subject tools for the education scenarios, and it's open, for example, like biology, different kinds of games for students and teachers to use in education. Yeah. So as you could also see, this is the whole launcher we are working right now, and this is totally the latest one. So at last, I would like to say, anything if you want to know more about it, feel free to contact lango.com.